Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig transformation. Before I get started, in case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please take a few seconds to press the subscribe button down below, and also please push the bell button down below so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. Also, please follow me on my Instagram page on ivy.j_, and let's be friends there. I post there more often. And so let's get right into it. So this week I got from Eullair hair a few weeks ago. I did a tutorial on this hair. I'm going to leave a link of this hair down below. So I decided to switch up this week because I have so much wigs that are like curly hair wigs that are all black or brown, and I wanted something different, so I decided to color this hair. So as you can see here, what I'm doing here is I'm sectioning this hair into 4 parts, and I went ahead and I combed this hair through just to make sure when I'm working with it, it's not going to be tangling up or sticking to the my hands when I'm trying to pull my hands straight. So that is what I did. So these are the products that you're going to be needing: a bowl, a brush to apply the bleach with, and a 20 developer and a B2. So there was 2 steps to this tutorial. I'm just going to make sure to explain the first step first. I put on my gloves. This glove was extremely cheap, and I end up using like 3 gloves just by doing this tutorial alone. So I opened the package, put it into the bowl, and I mixed the 20 developer with it. It was a bit liquidy, guys. This was spilling everywhere. I was making so much mess with this liquid, and as you can see, I just went ahead to mix everything together. If you're doing this, you don't want it to be too running, because I believe mine was just too running, and you want to make it a little bit thicker. And yeah, you can go ahead and use that for your hair, but I think mine was just too running. So as you can see, I just spilled a little bit on the floor, and my gloves was constantly like breaking, like there was hole, like every 5 minutes there was hole in it. You want to make sure to use a glove for this tutorial because that can burn your hand. So I went ahead to apply that on the hair. I started from the bottom and I gradually worked my way through until I was done with the whole hair. I end up spilling some of the product on the floor. You guys are going to be seeing that, and this product was not enough for me to use for all the hair. So after I applied the product, I tried to comb the hair through just to make sure it was like saturated, it was enough. And at the front it was not enough. There was one hair left that I didn't have enough product for because it spilled on the floor, and I tried to use the 20 developer by himself by applying that directly on the hair. I didn't know what to do. I didn't want it to just have one part not bleach, and so I'm like, okay, let me just take the developer and put that on the hair and see if that would do anything. And it did do something, but it wasn't as much as it did to the other part. So I took the hair and I tried to see if I can rub that on that part that didn't have enough product to be applied on, if I'm explaining that right. So when I was done, I wrapped that with olive folio and I waited for about 45 to an hour and see if that would change color. At the beginning I started seeing changes immediately, but after that it just stopped. So I still tried to wait for like an hour, and it still didn't change. It still didn't change much. So I decided to wash it off and do it all over again. But this time, after I blow dried, I saw that the some part was extremely like orangey copper, and so I decided to be like, okay, let me just put some eyeliner in it because I was liking the color, and I didn't want it to do something dramatic. I just wanted some eyeliner, and I did exactly the same process, just with the 20. I mean, instead of a 20 developer, I used a 40 developer just to give it a little bit of a highlight, like a brighter color. in between it. So as you can see, I'm mixing the second part together now, and it wasn't as liquidy as the first uh, part the first time I did it. And I believe that some of the color did bleach through, because as you can see, the lace at the front was a little bit orangey. That didn't bother me. And yeah, so I sectioned the hair into four part, I believe. So the first part I bleached, the second part I just braided it and put it away, and the third part I bleached, and the fourth part I did not bleach. I just braided it and put it away. And as you can see, though, you're going to see the final result of this hair. I was liking the color because I've never had anything like this before, and it was really pretty. I really love the outcome of this hair, and I think the hair is really good hair, because you after bleaching it and going through this for 2 times, the hair was still looking good, and the shedding was like wasn't much shedding, and that I was expecting it to shed more, but it wasn't shedding that much at all. So I just went ahead and I applied the second um, bleach on the hair, and as I said before, I sectioned 4 part out. 2 part was bleached, 2 part wasn't bleached, because I wanted to have some highlight into it. So as you can see, that is what I did. I put that away. I waited for 45 minutes. To my greatest surprise, guys, the bottom one that I put the bleach on first did not even do nothing. Like the it's not like not it wasn't bright enough as much as the other part. Like the one that I did last was more brighter than the very first one that I did. I don't know why that happened. If you guys have any idea, leave a comment down below. I'm willing to learn this. I'm not a professional when it comes to dyeing your hair or bleaching your hair. I'm just doing it from the little that I know and I've watched on YouTube. And yeah, so I put that in alu foil, and I waited for 45 minutes, as I mentioned before. After 45 minutes, it was looking a bit lighter and brighter, and so I decided to wash it off. I didn't think that anything else would change, like it would get lighter than this, so I just went ahead and wash it up. As you can see, the very first one that I put it on was a nice light. This was the final look of this hair. I didn't want it to bleach it more. I wanted it to be more brighter, like blonde, orangey, but no, it didn't come out like blonde. But I was like, okay, I still like the way it looks right now, and I stick with it that way. I just went ahead and combed that all out and let it hair dry. I didn't blow dry it, and I just let it dry for a few hours, and I came back to the hair. So now that it was done drying, as you can see, it was not 100% dry, but I still I was able to work with it. I just went ahead to brush everything out properly. This was not, it wasn't tangling up whatsoever. It was really easy to brush, and I decided to even do more to this wig. I didn't want it curly. I straightened it out with a straightening iron, and as you can see, this hair was like a 360-degree change. Like I completely changed the texture, I changed the color. It looks something completely different from the original wig that I received. I really love the color. I love that it was dark at some part and light and bright and orangey at some parts. So when I was putting this on, guys, I decided to try a new glue, like a wig glue, and I went to my local beauty supply store and I got a glue for $29, guys. A hair glue for a tiny tube for $29. I find like it was a little bit pricey, but I wanted something. I wanted to try it out, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to cost that much for a hair glue, but anyway, I still went ahead and purchased it and see if that will hold longer or better. So as you can see, after putting this wig on my hair, I was even loving it more. It was looking amazing on me. I was a little bit skeptic because of the color. I've never tried something like this before, and when I put it on, it was looking so good. I was loving it. I was feeling the colors, guys. This was just like, I think it looks good on my dark skin. It was looking really well. I love it. So I just went on ahead and blow dry that even more, and as you can see, I didn't need to do much to the cap. I didn't put no foundation, nothing on this lace like to make it blend to my skin. It was blending really well, and I rubbed something on. I think I rubbed a freeze cream or something on it, and I'm going to leave the name of that down below so that you can see. And I went ahead to create some baby hair along the hairline, and yeah, that is what I did. This hair was looking really cute. You guys let me know. Leave a comment down below. Do you think this color looks good on me? Do you think I should try a different color? Would you wear this color? Do you think it looks good on dark skin? What do you feel about this hair color? Leave a comment down below. I'm going to be so happy to hear your opinion and to read all your comments. And yeah, that is all about this tutorial, guys. And I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and come back for more videos. I have more videos, more content, guys. I'm going to try my best to be doing. I know you guys love like my wig tutorial, the crochet wig tutorial, guys, but I need your support for my channel by watching all my videos, and help my channel grow more. Share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that you're here, that you're watching this far. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.
Fill me out with your smile.